1995 Cadillac Sedan DeVille here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, just a tad over 98,000 on this one is all. White pearl with shale interior, that 4.9 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front fascia grille. Still retains the original Cadillac hood ornament. All right, still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see that paint has a nice shine to it. Granted, it's 30 years old now, so you may find an imperfection or maybe a little spot where there's touch up, but overall, age, miles, this car shows well. It's riding on the correct Cadillac alloy wheels, radial tires. You'll see close-ups of those in the still pictures. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and you can see these panels nice and straight, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. This car was adult owned, well taken care of, and it shows. Of course, split bent seat up front, leather seating surfaces. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Panels on the rear, nice shape. Paint still has a nice shine to it back here also. And take your time looking through those still pics. Over 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Couple notes on this one. Front and rear brake pads recently replaced. Owner's manual is in the glove box. And tech noted just slight seeping under the drivetrain, what's typical for a car that's driven this age. Nothing out of the ordinary. And like I said, there's underside pics of this car. Plenty of them. Take your time looking through them. Let's take a look from the rear to the front on the driver's side. Again, free of major nicks, dings, scratches, corrosion. If you like Cadillacs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here for Cadillacs, whether it be early models, these later sedans, or we get into the XLRs and the XRVs and some of their sports cars. Let's take a peek at the rear seats on this one. Door panel looks good. Seating surfaces, nice shape. Plenty of room. Nice, luxurious ride in these two. All right, how about up front? Of course, power seats, both sides. Up front, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, your modern amenities. Showing a little wear on the leather, kind of what you'd expect, I guess, with the miles and year of it, but nothing out of the ordinary. Tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, 4.9 liter. Now it's going to do the monitoring systems check. So let's see, monitored systems, okay. No service engine soons, check engine lights, anything like that. All that is telling me I should put on my seat belt. There's your exact miles, 98,051. AM, FM cassette player with equalizer. I haven't played around with this at all. Stereo working fine. Dash looks good. How about the headliner? Headliner looking good. Nice and quiet too. Sounds as you would expect. Man, that's a smooth runner. Let me see. I think I can get this hood open one-handed. Let's go ahead and pop the hood release here. Hood struts working as they should. Hood liner. And engine bay. AC blows cold, by the way. I don't remember if I mentioned that earlier. Heater blows hot. There it is. Very smooth runner. Sounds good. And again, clean Carfax, adult owned and driven, actual miles, no accidents indicated. It's a 1995 Cadillac DeVille. A lot of car for the money, and what a ride. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1995 Cadillac DeVille. If you see any flickering on the dash, that's just our camera's frame rate. That's not the dash itself. That digital dash looks great. Everything appears to be working as it should. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. It has the excellent, luxurious Cadillac ride. Very good acceleration from that V8. And of course, the digital speedometer showing us 55 miles an hour. Cruise engaged. Can't miss that. Cruise control working as it should. It's estimating our miles per gallon at 25. Factory stereo sounding good. Nice smooth braking, quiet ride from this car. It's a very windy day in Minnesota, yet I hardly hear any wind noise. Like gold hood ornaments standing prominently on the front end of this car. Nice in the corners. This doesn't even lean that much for such a luxurious car. They're really easy to drive, handle well. A lot of power accessories and comfort for a nice long road trip. Take a look at all the pictures of this 95 Cadillac at uniqueclassiccars.com.